right, y'all, we got 3 pounds of russet potatoes. I already boiled them, so now I just gotta mash them up. Before I fully mash them, let me get a little salt and pepper in there. Like getting them a little mashed, then mashing them a little bit more. Kind of mixes and mashes it at the same time. Then we're gonna also throw in some smoked paprika in there. There we go. Get it nice and mashed up a little bit more. All right, now that we got it nice and mashed up, we're gonna add in about 5 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of milk, and then do a few teaspoons of minced garlic. Go. 1/4 cup sour cream. And once you got all that in there, I want to get all that stirred together. All right, now that we got that nice and mixed up, we got our greased 9x13 here, and we're gonna spread this over the bottom. Go ahead and spread that over the bottom as evenly as you can. All right, now that we got that nice and spread over the top evenly, we're gonna take some cheddar cheese and just get that spread over the top. We got 2 cups of cheddar that we're spreading over the top here. And then I cooked up 7 pieces of bacon. And I put it in my food processor to get these nice little bacon bits. So these ain't no bacon bits in a little plastic container. Not that there's anything wrong with that. These are some real bacon I cooked up in my air fryer. Try to get that evenly spread over so everybody's getting a nice little bacon bite when they're getting their helping. All right, so we have the oven preheated to 400. We're gonna cover it with some foil for 20 minutes at 400. And then for 10 minutes, we're gonna cook it uncovered. So 20 minutes covered, after 20 minutes, uncover it for 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, baby. Y'all, this looks like the perfect comfort food side dish here. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. What you think, Ryan? You excited about this one?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right, I'm just gonna go right in, give it a try. Oh yeah, that looks like a good bite right there. Obviously, I gotta blow it off for a second. That's just like perfect comfort food right there, folks. If you're looking for an easy recipe to bring that everybody's gonna love, this should be your go-to right here. Merry Christmas.